Tell me is you still love? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this home. Then again, I could be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like license. I just any money roll a dice since I pick. She ain't even really my type, and out here she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and I get it. Oh girl, yeah, I get it. Yeah, and you been fighting for your shot, and you been searching for your spot. Girl, I feel it. Yeah, girl, I feel it. Yeah. Oh, you think you got your groove, but you want someone like you. Tell me is you still up? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this home. And again, I can be drunk. Yeah, I know, mommy, I know. It's 2 a.m., no stress. At 3, that bullshit kick in. At 30, you feel your best. I turn my whole spot to crucial. It's crucial the way I left. But theirs is like a law. I know it just be the best. I'm looking at her and her started turning to you. Now you starting to fuck up my mind. Is it you, is it her? We probably trapped in the birds. F29 is my address in case you ain't heard. It's flooding upstairs, it's elite. I don't make it squeak, I make this shit beat. Don't have a teeth when I feast. They doing this slide through the streets. It takes a finesse, especially this cabaret cheap. Engine make it hard to creep. Just leave the gate open. Notice I know I'm a creep. Are you about to Terrell? The Nautic is down to the sleep. And are you obsessed by yourself? A minute from there, is this a room for me? Baby, do tell. Tell me is you still up? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this moment. But then again, I can be drunk.
I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You're trying to come back when you face. I always want you to, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You try to come back when you fail. I always wanna do it, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get me to stop. Yeah. I was on this side, I was over always. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around to save as being love. And like guns with the ink in you, getting under my skin. A little young thing, had a nigga confident. feelings got me too excited. Yeah. Play me. No doubt, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even imagine to keep straight faces? And all the pictures that I've seen lately, Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You share stories where you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, lens looking jaded.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dominant Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for UNICE hair, and today, believe it or not, I'm reviewing this Yaki straights. Girl, Yaki straight hair. It is so bomb. I got it so silky, you guys. Absolutely love it. Look how well it's pre-plucked. Are you seeing this right now? It's just like so bomb. No baby hairs or anything like that. And this is a closure unit, okay? So when you go up underneath that lace, baby, there is absolutely no glue, okay? No lace front glue, no hairspray, no anything to adhere this unit. It's just literally bomb right out of the package, and it has such a beautiful flow to it, which is another thing that I can appreciate. I know a lot of people, when you hear the word Yaki, a lot of people like to stay away from it, but I have been loving the Yaki straight hair. This is definitely one of them ones. Like, look how bomb and silky this is. Like, this just looks like any other like silky straight unit. You wouldn't even be able to tell what the difference was until you're like close up to it, because the closer you are, you can see that there is some texture to it, but it's still very silky, which obviously we can appreciate. I do currently have mine in a 24-inch. Love that. And like I said, it is a closure, so you guys can see the closure starts right around there, and then same thing on this side. The closure ends there. So you get a decent amount of space in the front, but it just looks so natural. I love the way that they pre-plucked this unit. And to get this little piece here where you guys see it's like more slick back, I just put a little bit of hairspray on it, and then I use my hot comb to like press it back, and that's how I got that part to like lay like that. And it's still like, you know, a glueless install. I can lift this up, I can pull it, hold on, let me try to align it right back. I can pull it back down, and we're good to go. This is a 24-inch. I love the length for this one, nice and long. And this is, I want to say this is a 5x5 closure unit. It does have a decent amount of parting space as well. Let me fix my lace right there. This unit does come pre-plucked. This unit does come with bleached knots already, so you don't have to worry about bleaching the knots. The lace is pre-cut as well, so that's another great thing about it. You don't have to worry about bleaching the knots, plucking it, anything like that. Everything is done for you right out of the box. This is definitely a beginner-friendly unit, and it's very classy, you know what I mean? It's not something where you have to do like a bunch of baby hairs, and I love like how flat it lays. Like, it's so flat. And once again, I just use some hairspray just to like help the flyaways, but honestly it's not that crazy. As you guys can see, the hair itself is very smooth. It's not like all frizzy. It's one of those units, like, no matter how much you move your hair, like, it's still gonna give silky, and we love that. If you like, let me do both, like move it to the back, it's not like all frizzy. It's still giving silky in the back too, you know what I mean? So you can just flip it right up front. When it comes to straight hair units, a lot of the times, like, if you move your hair around too much, especially in the back, it gets like super frizzy and kind of crazy. But this one is just like so bomb. I love how silky straight this hair is. Like, I cannot stress that enough. Like, look at that, and look at the texture all the way down to the very end. This is where the hair is hitting me in the back, and like I said, this is a 24-inch. You guys can see where it's hitting. Super bomb and silky all the way down to the ends. We love that. For me, this unit is just a no-brainer. and it's just like so bomb. Like, I cannot get over that. And if you don't want to, you don't have to flat iron it, but I did flat iron it, and I know you guys are gonna wonder, what flat iron I use. I use this Glueless titanium plate flat iron. I've literally had this thing for so many years, you guys. This is like my secret weapon, if you will, especially when it comes to like getting your hair super straight. This flat iron goes up to 500 degrees, and it is a titanium plate flat iron. The hair itself is still really nice, so I love that about it. It just looks so good. And like I said, even though this is a Yaki straight texture, you wouldn't be able to tell that this is Yaki straight. And honestly, I think more people need to start trying it, because it's really one of those textures that's like slept on, and it does mimic like our natural hair, but like flat ironed out. So if you are somebody who likes like more natural looks, I would definitely get something like this. And it definitely it holds a curl really well. You can flat iron it, you can curl it, you can crimp it, and any style you choose to put it in, it's going to last for days. So that's the great thing about it. And it doesn't have like any weird smells to it. It's not shedding all over the place, as you guys can see. So that's another great thing about it. You don't have to worry about your hair shedding, because you guys saw it before, like what the difference was. I was trying to make sure I showed you guys like one side with a flat iron and then the other side regular, so you guys can kind of see the difference, because it is a subtle difference, but it is like a major difference to me, just because I just know hair, and I'm just like, girl, it looks so good. Yeah, all in all, love this unit. Shout out to UNICE Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending over another amazing unit. Shout out to all of you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there was something that I didn't cover and you have a question, drop a comment down below. I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.